If you are planning to buy Card.co subscription, then this is the perfect time for you. Right now, Card.co is offering a 40% discount on their plan. To activate the deal, simply click on the first link down below in the video description. You'll be taken to this page. Here, you'll see a login button. Since I am already logged in, I am seeing this option. When I click on it, I will be taken to the Card dashboard. Here, I have already created a website recently. But if you are logging for the first time, you'll see an empty canvas. Here, on the top, you'll see this coupon code, which will provide you a flat 40% discount. When you click here, you'll be taken to the settings. Here, go to the plan option. Now, you'll see 3 pricing plans option. You can choose any plan based on your needs. But before that, if you scroll down, you'll see this promo code option. Simply click on this promo code section and paste the 40% discount code, and then apply the coupon. And you can see that the 40% discount is applied to every plan. Now, select any plan you want to continue with, and you'll be able to get the discount. Simply scroll down to the payments section now. Here, select your payment method, then enter your payment details and confirm. And just like this, you'll be able to save good money on your plan. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching this video.